What's up, guys? So this is gonna be a pretty quick video. I'm just gonna be showing you guys about our new vlogging kit, which is called the Self Storage. It's by Sunpack, and it's called the Self Storage Vlogging Kit. It's $40 at Best Buy. We just bought it like a couple days ago. My fiance wants to use it for YouTube videos and TikToks. What is it? Oh, we're starting a YouTube channel for our family. It's gonna be called The Sweet Life of Six because it's me, my fiance, our two kids, and our two foster kids that are asleep right now, but I'm about to go wake them up because they have school. And yeah, that's what that's gonna be about. When it's up and going, I'll put links for it in the description so you guys can check it out. And yeah, let's get into the video. So I'm gonna go get the vlogging kit, and I'll be right back.
Okay, so this is what the vlogging kit looks like. This is what it looks like. This is why it's called the self-storage vlogging kit, because easily self-stores, and it goes into this pouch. You can just put it wherever you want. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And then all you gotta do is move it up to whatever height you actually want to use it on. So let me just do that real quick, and then I will put my camera and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like set up. You gotta plug it into the wall. You have your like on and off button over there. Also changes the different shades. I'll show you guys right now. When you open it, you gotta like loosen this part up, because it's gonna start off back there, and you gotta move it to the front so it gets sturdy. One of the complaints is that it is kind of flimsy, but it is one of the cheaper Sunpack kits. So if you're like a beginner and you want something that's kind of like a stand and not just like a little vlogging kit that is pretty short, this is the one to pick. So yeah, let me turn it on. Alright, so here, sorry, it doesn't want to focus. Power button, turn the brightness lower, higher at the top, and then to switch the color of the mode. And now let's see what it looks like with the phone facing camera.
Alright, so this is the final setup. This is what it looks like. Sorry about my carpet. My wife mopped earlier today and we didn't put the carpet back, so it's back there. But yeah, we're gonna be using this ring light for our family channel, for my channel, TikToks. I did put my link up in my channel, so if you want to go ahead and follow me, go ahead and do that. And it has a couple of other uses besides just making videos. I did hear that people use it for like FaceTime, Zoom calls or whatever, so your lighting looks a lot better when you're there. I honestly don't know what else you would use it for, but this one specifically, I think it's really good. Again, it's a self-storage one. You saw how it looked when it was compact. You can put it away wherever you want. You just put it in that pouch. It's not that. It's actually a pretty good height. I stopped it at this height, but it goes a little higher. So you can adjust it. It's really cool. One thing I wish the wire was a little longer. I don't know if you could probably extend it with something. I don't know. But besides that, I mean, it's pretty good length. Just for me, because my outlet's kind of far, so I guess that's why. But yeah, and it looks really good. I don't even have a light on in the room, and it's actually getting pretty good lighting just for me making this video. I think this comes out way better than having to use your flash from a camera phone or whatever else you're using. Pretty much your phones. If you have lighting for an actual camera, I'm pretty sure that doesn't look bad. But yeah, so that's gonna be the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, so you won't miss any future videos. And I will keep you guys a heads up when the giveaway is going to be going on. So yeah, thanks for watching and peace out.